Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the BONK update today, and I have to talk about some few things on the smaller time frame with BONK. But before that, I want to show you what's going on now. Personally, as I've said before, that I think BONK has this support line at the moment, and you kind of broke it and you're retesting and you're failing, and you do have the threat to actually drop down to 930, which is going to be the main technical target for that. Now, at the moment, what I want to show you is that on the 1 hour time frame, there's a little bit of sideways pump and dump going on, and I'm not a very big fan of sideways trading. Sometimes I do, but I'm not a very big fan of this one. Now, the thing here is that 1 hour is showing that a lot of resistance is going on. So if I do drop down a trend line here, you can see that this was your support, and it has been resistance here, and now it has been another resistance here. So notice how it's getting very difficult for BONK to break above and continue another push to the upside. If I do dive into the 4 hour time frame as well, you do have the evening star right over there, and from here you probably can actually start to go back down one more time. Unfortunately, we're creating lower high. So you have the high here. This is a lower high at the moment, and then from there you can actually go down, and you're now creating a lower low, and you can actually continue the downtrend, pump up, go down, pumped up, and you can do this movement in a waveform or in a zigzag form. For example, go down, come back up, people think it's amazing, go down again, come back up, people think it's amazing, go down, come back up, people think it's amazing, rinse and repeat, and eventually drop down to 930. Now when you listen at 930, it's never going to happen that you go down straight like this. Well, you're always going to go sideways, and then eventually come down. So maybe by 20 of October we might actually get there. In the next 2 weeks we might probably just go there very, very slow like this, right? Now, one more thing is, of course, again, at the moment, you're let alone breaking this trend line, right? You really need to first of all break this trend line, and if you kind of break that trend line, then we can actually have another faith to go back up here. Still breaking this won't be good enough. You have to come up, break this, and hold above it, and then we're absolutely on a safe zone one more time. Now, unless that does not happen, unfortunately, based on support and resistance, it's very clear that you have a technical journey to come down to the lowest part of 930. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, Office.